Hey guys, welcome to the workout today. We're just going to get some fun things in today holding water bottles. So just grab 2 water bottles and we're going to get started here. We're going to start with can openers, okay? So I want your thumbs down. I want the tops of your hands facing each other. So your hand is turned over, it's internally rotated, and you're just coming up making a V, okay? We're gonna go 20 reps on these. We're working that rotator cuff, and you're gonna exhale as you come up. So every time you lift those water bottles up, I want you to exhale. All right, good job. Next, we're gonna go with a supine lat raise. So you have an underhand grip, your thumbs are still up, and I want you to stand up nice and tall, chest out, and you're just coming up as high as what is comfortable for you. And again, you're gonna exhale as you're lifting those water bottles up, okay? All right, good job, everyone. We're getting the shoulder here. All right, perfect. This is also great for our posture. Okay, next we're gonna go in overhead fly. So you're holding those water bottles, your palms are up, and you're just coming up over your head. I want you to bring the water bottles together, but not hit them together. I want you to stop right before they hit each other. So it's nice and controlled. And we're gonna exhale as we come up. We're going 20 reps on this. All right, way to work, everyone. Good job, still getting that shoulder. All right, good posture on this. Everything is looking great. All right, next, we're gonna give the upper body a little rest and we're gonna go to high knees. So I want you to just hold those water bottles on your quads, okay? They're just resting on your quads and you're just lifting your knee up as high as you can, kind of like you're marching, okay? The higher you can lift your knee, the better, okay? This takes balance and a little bit of coordination, and just do these slowly, get used to them. And you just keep this going for a total of 20 reps. It's just like doing 10 on each leg. All right, next we're gonna go to an overhead calf raise. So we're gonna take 1 water bottle and hold it over our head. Keep those arms nice and straight. And we're gonna do a calf raise. The reason I have you holding the water bottle above your head is because we're going to engage the core a little bit more, okay? So this takes a little more balance. We're gonna work that core by holding that water bottle up as opposed to just holding our hands down at our side. It's just a little bit more challenging. All right, next we're going to a behind the head shoulder press, okay? So we're just using the 1 water bottle and it's like you're doing a shoulder press, okay? I want you to come down behind your head nice and slowly. Just come down to whatever's comfortable. You don't have to go too far. I'm showing you my range of motion here from the side. Just whatever's comfy, as far down as you can come, and then you're just gonna press it back up, okay? Nice and controlled. Keep that core tight, and you're exhaling on the way up. All right, this is a really good shoulder workout here. All right, good job. Perfect. Okay, this is kind of a little bit more advanced move, okay? Because you have to come behind the head. That's more challenging. Okay, next we are moving into hammer curls, getting those biceps. So you're holding those water bottles just like the way you would hold a hammer, okay? And you're just curling them up, all the way down, nice and controlled. Don't let those arms swing. I don't want things swinging back when you come down. I just want everything nice and controlled. You're gonna exhale on the way up and just make that mind-muscle connection. Just picture that bicep shortening as you come up and lengthening as you come down. All right, next we're going back into some shoulders again. We're going lat raise. So you're just gonna hold your arms straight out. You're coming up as high as you can just so that you're up to even. We don't wanna go too high. And this is gonna work that side delt. We're gonna exhale as we come up, going for 20 reps. And keep that core nice and tight when you're doing this. All right, I know I'm giving you a bunch of pointers. There's a bunch of things to remember, but everyone's doing great. You just keep this going strong. All right, way to work today, everyone. Okay, our last exercise is going to be a good morning. This is going to be the most challenging one of the day, okay? You're just going to hold those water bottles on top of your shoulders if you can. hold those there. And I want you to just lean forward. I want a slight bend in your knee, and I want you to push your glutes and your chest out as you come down so that your back is nice and straight. You don't have to come down that far. Just choose a range of motion that feels good for you. I'm not coming down very far. I'm just coming like maybe a quarter of the way down. All right, that works your hamstrings and your low back. Now, right here, I'm showing you another way to do these. If you don't want to hold the water bottles there, you can just hold your hands behind your head. But I actually feel like holding the water bottles is a little bit more natural, comfortable way to do these. But whatever feels good for you. All right, good job today, guys. Go out and make it a great day.